Great. Okay. आपने शामक दावर की भी academy में you worked for 2 years. That's what we read on the net. So tell us about that. आपने कोई you worked for 2 years in the dancing academy?
So you know, there's something called the special potential batch शामक में, wherein जहाँ पर train करते हैं वो अपने students को to become instructors and all that. So I was part of the special potential batch, so that I could become a trainer or whatever instructor over there and join the company. But उस दौरान ही मुझे film मिल गई and then my career just took off from there, and then I started working. So that opportunity or that phase of my life got over. So I was just training at that point of time.
Okay, but do you have passion for dancing? Like, do you enjoy dancing and all?
No, I wouldn't say that I really love dancing. I can dance, but ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैं खुद को dancer कहूँ. That was the time कि सबको पता है कि to become an actor there are few things that you need to do. तो ये एक ऐसी चीज थी कि आपको एक्टिंग भी करना है, आपको डांस भी करना है, you have to be fit also. सिर्फ एक चीज है, फिटनेस ऐसी चीज है जो अगर मैं एक्टर नहीं भी होता तो भी मैं हमेशा फिट रहता, because that is something that I was doing even before I became an actor, and even if I wasn't an actor I would have concentrated on my fitness. So that is a passion of mine, जो कि पहले से ही रही है.
Okay, awesome. Okay, what do you think, according to your works, best in the industry? Talent, luck, film background, being part of a lobby? I mean, an honest opinion.
I think only talent works in the film industry, or any industry, the music industry, the film industry, anything that is creative. Only your talent works. You can be lucky for some time. You can be lucky for one film. You can be lucky for a few projects, but at the end you need to be talented. अगर आप talented नहीं भी हो तो there has to be something about you which is unique. अगर आप actor ना हो तो you need to have some personality trait that you fit into that character. जैसे कि for example we have so many action superstars, right? They might not necessarily be good actors, but उनकी physicality की वजह से, उनके size की वजह से, like for example, the number one superstar in the world right now is Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. He's a wrestler, and ये भी नहीं कह सकते कि he's an actor, right? But he brings a certain personality to the cinema, to the films. And या तो आपके पास ऐसी personality होनी चाहिए, या आप अगर actress हो तो इतनी beauty होनी चाहिए कि then nobody can compete with that beauty. But obviously eventually आपको act भी करना पड़ता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये non actors हैं. They have a certain quality, they have a certain confidence, and then they also have X factor. तो star बनने के लिए you need that X factor, but at the end talent is the only thing that can take you forward.
Absolutely. Do you think actors like later Irfan Khan and Nawazuddin, they've just changed the whole scenario?
Yeah, absolutely. They are not the only examples, They are the recent examples, but for example, a Shah Rukh Khan, a Dilip Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan, where are they from, It's just that now their children are star kids. But jitne bhi sare actors the pehle ke, they have just come up and risen from their own talent, right? And that is what will always continue. Today Irfan Khan has created, he's such a talent, and today his kids will get platforms because of him. But they will have to prove themselves with their own talent, right? ये तो नहीं हो सकता कि it is because of Irfan Khan. If they have learned something from their father, will they be able to reach out in the industry? एक मौका मिलेगा उन्हें, and as audiences, as fans of their parents, we will go and watch their films. But उसके बाद they will have to do the hard work, right?
And they're on the journey.
So at the end, सिर्फ talent ही काम कर सकता है industry में.
Awesome. Okay, given a chance, who would you like to work with from the new actresses, from the new lot that's come in?
I think Alia Bhatt is obviously somebody who is really talented, young actors में से. Then Sara Ali Khan has such a good personality, there's a great vibe about her. So all of them are so talented,
Absolutely. So I guess Alia or chale. There's a lot of fan questions that I have to take in, or does they all get upset कि
Yeah.
हमारे questions नहीं पूछे. So okay, Ashley from Dubai. Who has been your inspiration in acting?
So obviously you know जिस दौरान मैं एक्टर बनने का सोच रहा था उस वक्त the Khans were very very famous. So Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, they were like the heartthrobs of the nation, of the world. They were Bollywood in a sense. So the three of them inspired me the most for different
Okay.
different reasons, different qualities. Shah Rukh Khan, obviously, because of his star power, his romance, the kind of films that he did, and Salman Khan because of his personality, his body, his songs, and Amir Khan because of his dialogue delivery, and he was so good in comedy in all. He was very good in comedy. So I really love Andaz Apna Apna. I love Amir
Absolutely.
Khan in most of his comedy scenes because he
Yogi
really
ka
knows how to
Sikandar.
entertain. Yeah, yeah,
देखो अगर
Rangila. So
आपको
he's
he's
a
been doing
fab
it.
actor. Yeah, so all these actors inspired me for different reasons.
So if I have to ask you, तीनों में से if you have to pick one favorite Khan, or
मुश्किल
maybe
है
one.
कभी वो बदलते रहते हैं सलमान खान
If
because
you
he
can
has
give
been
one.
able to Salman Khan has been able to maintain his star power, his charisma for so long.
जी.
And क्योंकि मुझे fitness बहुत पसंद है तो he becomes the number one. Then Amir Khan क्योंकि he has just proved himself time and again. वो जो भी फिल्में करते हैं you look at it and you like यार ये कहाँ से आ गया बंदा. He's total Hollywood for me.
True.
And Shah Rukh Khan because उनकी जो फिल्में थी कभी ना is my favorite film. And in that film, he the kind of work he did in that film, no actor can replicate that.
True. So that is true. That was one of the very good films of his. Acha Ali, what is your fitness routine?
My fitness routine is यार रोज कुछ ना कुछ करो. So there's every day that I do something or the other. कभी मैं jogging करता हूँ. I have a pull-up bar. So sometimes I say, okay, today I'm going to do 100 pull-ups. So I might do, 40, 50. Then I might go about my day. Then I'll see the pull-up bar. Again, I'll do some 20, 30. And some days I'll say, okay, today I'm just going to do push-ups. So I'll just do 100, 200. This is on days when I'm not working out. अगर
Okay.
मैं वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ तो मैं अपना अच्छे से वर्कआउट करता हूँ 1 घंटा निकाल के. But
अच्छा.
for me, fitness is a daily thing. So it's not a one-off thing. Sometimes in the building, my neighbors have pets. So I just say that, okay, today, I'm going to take the dog for a jog. So I'll just take the dogs for a jog and I'll just make them run. They make me run. And that becomes my workout. So I have unique ways of keeping fit.
And I think every day it should be part of your routine, especially in times like this. You need to be healthy. Yeah.
Yeah,
Totally.
absolutely. And not only times like these, I've always been like this. From the time I remember, there has been no day or week in my life wherein I have not done some physical workout. So I need to do something. I need to sweat it out. I need to burn some calories because मैं खाता भी बहुत हूँ. I
अच्छा.
have never been able to maintain a diet. People who follow keto and peto and पता नहीं क्या क्या follow कर लेते हैं वो लोग. But मैं तो उनके बारे में पूछता भी नहीं because I know that I cannot diet. Also because I have never been able to fast in my life. मैंने आज तक एक fast नहीं रखा है because I really have no control over my eating habits or my food. I cannot control it. I can't.
Okay.
I have to.
You're being honest about it. भूख लगी है तो
Yeah, I have
खाना है.
never fasted. I have never fasted. I will never fast. I will never tell anybody in my family also to fast. और जो लोग fast करते हैं रमजान के लिए या किसी भी religion के लिए यार hats off to them. They are very religious. And अच्छी बात है वो इतना dedication मुझ में किसी भी चीज को लेकर नहीं है except for my fitness, my happiness and my food.
Good. Great. I think आपके बहुत सारे fans hi कह रहे हैं आपको. Maybe you would like to quickly say hi to them because.
Yeah, I'm reading सब बहुत सारे लोग नीचे hi, hello
somebody
and
saying मैं hi करके थक
बहुत
गया.
सारी चीजें कह रहे हैं. तो guys, so sorry मैं यहाँ पर बात कर रहा हूँ तो I'm missing out on whatever you're saying. But if there's something interesting, कोई interesting question आएगा and if you catch it, Nadia, please bring it to my notice. I'll answer it. And a
definitely.
few of my friends are also there. A friend of mine, Ricky, ने अभी हाय कहा है मुझे, तो Ricky, I saw your message. But if anybody says hi like that or some interesting
Question, I'll
question,
try.
so I'll surely answer it.
Yeah, perfect. I'll try to pick up if something interesting comes.
There's one friend of mine, Rajesh Mansukhani, जो शामक दावर के टीम के बहुत बड़े, he's a big influencer and he's really involved with Shamak on many levels. He runs Shamak's Canada team, so he's also there. Many people of mine who are very close to me are also
Awesome.
watching this right now.
Awesome. Hi to everybody, all his friends and family. Okay, Arush, what's your favorite clothing brand?
I really like Jack and Jones. I wear Zara also. So I'm really not into brands. ऐसा नहीं है कि I have to wear something branded. I like well-fitted clothes, but I've noticed कि Jack and Jones and Zara fit me well, so I just stick to them.
Okay, awesome. Sneha, who is your favorite Bollywood actor and actress?
So it keeps changing. अभी recent times में I really like Ranbir Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor. So I think these two right now are my current favorites.
Okay, and from the girls? I mean, you mentioned Alia, Sarah, but anybody
Girls,
else?
I like Radhika Apte a lot. Alia
She's,
Bhatt is good. Yeah.
she's very good.
Kangana Ranaut keeps doing stupid things in her personal front and on Twitter, but as an
But
actor,
I
she's
very
fantastic.
good. Yeah, she's a fantastic actress. Shikha from Sharjah, what's your favorite color?
I think it is blue. I
You
think so.
think?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But I think it's
You
blue.
really think, don't you?
Yeah, I
I
don't
think
really have a
blue
favorite. Blue, एक जमाने में था कि blue मेरा favorite color था. Blue ही हो सकता है.
blue is.
I've never said any other color is my favorite, so I think let's stick to blue.
Okay, Nikki again from Abu Dhabi. What's your favorite cuisine? What do you like to eat?
I love pizza.
Okay. That is so
So yeah,
non-healthy.
yeah, and pizza is something you have to have
Pizzas.
once in a while,
I think on your cheat day, maybe you can have pizzas.
which could be every day. So I have to avoid it.
Okay. Shahnaz, what were you like as a kid?
What was I like as a kid?
As a child, were you like introvert, extrovert, naughty, good boy?
I was an introvert, but I was very naughty also. So those are the जहाँ पर आपको that means कि कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है. So I was like that.
So you're one of those who
I was
probably
like
get away. नहीं ये नहीं होगा ये तो बहुत शांत है. Not this guy.
हाँ.
He's the sweet
So with
one.
my cute face now, I used to get away, but I've always been naughty. I've taken advantage of looking very कि यार ये तो बहुत भोला है, ये कुछ नहीं करेगा.
मासूम है, yeah.
Yeah.
While the rest of them get in trouble. Okay, Adil from Dubai. What do you usually do in your free time?
So my free time, I work out. That is something that if I'm getting bored, then I'll just work out. That's like my stress buster. That's also, like that's my boredom killer. Like if I'm bored, then that's something I can do. I watch a lot of YouTube videos about the stock market. This is something that nobody knows. But जब से मैं, when I turned 18 and I could open a bank account, so my bank account was made, my Demat account was made, and from the time I'm 18, I've been investing in the equity market. So
Okay.
The equity market and stocks, this has always been something of my interest. It has always been my passion. And I wanted to just earn money so I can buy shares. So that's something that interests me.
That's so different from being an actor. I mean, I guess you need to have a safe career as well, in case, yeah. अच्छा आपके
Well, it
किसी
could
fan
either
ने
be safe or it could be very dangerous also.
Exactly. I know, God, it's so risky business. अच्छा आपकी कोई पूछ रही है fan कि your dream movie or your dream project? I just picked up a question.
My favorite movie is Jerry Maguire.
Wow.
वो मेरी एक favorite film है. But ऐसी कोई फिल्म तो है नहीं जहाँ पर मुझे लगा हो कि this is my dream movie or I would want to do it. except for maybe some superhero films. So
Okay.
all these, I love all these, superhero, big budget Hollywood action movies. So yeah, that could be like a dream.
I know that that's one question Vicky from Alain is asking. Who's your favorite Marvel character?
Iron Man. I used to love
Iron
Spider-Man. Actually, all of them, yeah. But Iron Man is the coolest. So yeah.
He's the coolest. Chalo, great. I think most of the boys love Iron Man. Great. What's your favorite film and why is it your favorite? Devika, I think you answered that question, the same question this girl asked you. But if you have to pick up another film, पुरानी में से कोई new
So
maybe
Andaz
कोई
Apna Apna, Andaz Apna Apna is one of my favorite films. Then Jerry Maguire. I really love Dil Chahta Hai also.
Oh,
So I
it's a
think these would
fantastic.
be my
That was
top.
a game changer film. It just
Yeah, yeah,
changed the look of Hindi
yeah,
cinema.
yeah. So these are my top three favorite films.
Awesome. अच्छा, when you pick a script या आपको जब काम approach करते हैं, what excites you in that script? कि this is something मैं कर सकता हूँ या
Yeah. See, I have to be able to connect with the character at some level, or I have to be able to internalize or justify why the character is doing something. फिर वो कोई भी character हो, he could be a rapist or a terrorist or a good guy or a bad guy, whatever he could be. I need to be able to connect with him and convince myself कि ये ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है. And lots of times, the scripts or the work that I have done, which has been appreciated, I have been able to connect with the character. And there are lots of times when I've not been able to connect, but वो काम शायद audience तक पहुंचा ही नहीं है, because वो अच्छा काम हुआ ही नहीं था.
अच्छा.
Because yeah, so I think characters that reach out to people or connect to people have that in them.
Yeah, okay. And if I have to ask आपने बहुत सारे किरदार किए, anything which is closer to your real self, or you feel कि मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा like my real life character, जैसे आप खुद हो.
I think all the work that I've done has had a little bit of me. At least my debut film MP3 had a bit of me in it. Then I did one television show, Jile Zara. That was very much like me.
Okay.
फिर मैंने recently एक film जो की है नमस्ते वहाला जो Netflix पर है. That is also very much like me. So somewhere in all the characters there is obviously a big percentage of my real personality also in it.
Okay, talking about this film Wahala, how was the experience working with international artists and of course like
Yeah,
वो क्या
it was
feel है कि आपको
fantastic.
कैसे approach किया? How was your whole look and feel about it?
So I'm just so lucky कि I ended up doing the movie. क्योंकि जब ये फिल्म मुझे ऑफर की गई थी तो उस वक्त कहा गया था कि दिस इज ओनली फॉर अफ्रीका. ये ना तो कभी इंडिया में रिलीज होगी ना तो कोई देखेगा ऐसे. बट इफ यू वांट टू डू इट फॉर एक्सपीरियंस डू इट. आई वाज लाइक यार व्हाई वुड आई डू इट फॉर एक्सपीरियंस सो इट वाज रियली समथिंग लाइक दैट. फिर मैंने मना कर दिया एंड आई सेड यार इफ इट्स नॉट गोना रिलीज इन इंडिया देन व्हाई विल आई रिमूव टाइम एंड कम देयर एंड डू इट. पता चला फिर मुझे यहाँ पर कोई काम मिल रहा था और वो मिस हो गया. मुनीशा खटवानी इज देयर. हाय मुनीशा. I was worried about that. तो पहले मैंने मना किया. Then I came home and I told everybody कि such a film has been offered to me. My parents are like, यार, you should do it. Like, why would you say no to it? Where will you get this opportunity again? Then I was like, हाँ यार, ये बात तो सही है. I will never get this opportunity again. But I was like, but I already told them no. So what do I do? So my mom was like, call them back. What's the big deal? I was like, yeah, it's right. There's so many actors who, actually call directors and say, ki, yaar, give me this work, or I can do it, or I can not charge, or I don't know what people say. So I thought, I should at least call back and inquire. So I called back and inquired after a good 14 days. And by then I thought, by now it must be cast also. But when I called up and I said, yaar, what's happening? So they said, no, actually they've cast somebody. Why? I said, oh, they cast somebody. Okay, no problem. So he's like, why? You want to do it or what? I was like, yeah, I think I should, I would like to do it. I would like to take it further. So he's like, if you want to do it, Ruslan, I will send you the script right now. You read it and you tell me yes or no in 1 hour. I was like, okay. So I got the script, I read it, and I was like, yeah, I want to do it. So he's like, okay, fine. They're going to send you the contract right now. You need to confirm on email that you're going to do it. and the contract got sent. And why they rushed me so much was that poor chap, जो भी actor था, उसको उन्होंने confirm कर दिया था, and contract पे काम चला, and they had sent the contract to him, but बिचारा he had not signed it and returned it. So they said before he signs it, you better sign it and confirm it. So that's how I actually ended up taking somebody's work, but actually the film was mine. So
somebody जिसके नसीब में उसी को मिलता है. So I guess it was written in
but the
your
film was meant to be mine also. तो ऐसा नहीं
exactly.
है.
बिल्कुल. आपके कोई fan पूछ रहे हैं आपकी favorite IPL team?
यार मैं ना नहीं देखता हूँ IPL,
अच्छा,
but
okay.
Chennai Super Kings are my favorite because Dhoni is in it.
Okay.
Dhoni is the captain, so I love Dhoni. He's my favorite cricketer.
Okay. I want you to ask you, जो young actors आ रहे हैं और even people like you जो आपसे पहले, do you think social media is putting, do you think इसका कोई फायदा है या नुकसान है? Because आजकल social media has become like a trend and I guess people feel pressured also कि इतना होना चाहिए, इतने followers होने चाहिए या you should be wanted.
Social media is a great thing. It's a great thing because it has got so many people जिनको platform आसानी से नहीं मिलता था, उन्हें social media के जरिए they have just created their own brands, they have got their own talent out there. So they don't need a godfather, they don't need a director, producer, anybody. They are their own director and their own production, and they have their own talent. Like TikTok has made so many people famous, so many people stars. So I think social media is a great thing for enterprising people. And there is no negative as such because
trolling होती है, people get very disheartened.
See, the trollers are a different story. उनके मन में, उनके दिल में इतनी कड़वाहट और इतना पॉइजन क्यों है, इस बात को तो मैं आज तक समझ नहीं पाया. But there are people like that in the world. अब क्या कहेंगे? And if you want to reach out to a million, billion people, there are going to be a few evil spirits out there. जो कि है दुनिया में. They are just negativity भी है. But I have noticed कि positivity ज़्यादा है. So just embrace the positive stuff and just ignore the negative stuff and just move on with your life. But social media is a great platform, and people who've been able to create great followers on the social media, loads of them who I follow on social media do a lot of good also. They say a lot of good things. They create a lot of positivity. In times of crisis, they help out as well. So I think social media is a great thing. Yeah?
Great thing, awesome. Last question before आजकल, like you've seen a lot of disappointments and actors, we've seen a lot of in India and just all over the world. They are disheartened हो जाते हैं, जो सोच के आते हैं वैसा होता नहीं, acceptance नहीं होती है. They end up either hurting themselves or something. So any kind of views on that? कि मतलब it is a tough industry and it's not all that glamour.
Yeah.
So
you know what I've understood from this is कि अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि आपको अगर फिल्म मिल जाएगी या एक फिल्म मिल जाएगी, दो फिल्म मिल जाएगी, बहुत सक्सेस मिल जाएगा, फेम मिल जाएगा, उससे आपको खुशी मिलेगी, then you're completely wrong. You cannot get happiness from your career, from your fame, from money. You cannot. You have to be able to get happiness from other things. And that is why I have always been a happy person, because my fame or my career or my work has never given me the kind of happiness, or I've never looked for happiness in that. My happiness has always been in my fitness, in my food, in pets, in animals, in nature, and you know, in just seeing positivity in people, being inspired, not worrying about यार मुझे इससे better करना है. अरे मुझे इससे better क्यों करना है यार? He did a great job. I liked it. I saw it. And I'm happy being an audience in life. I'm happy looking at others and just getting inspired and awed by them. And instead of worrying about, yaar, I'm not that talented. Forget it. How does it matter? I've had a great life. I will continue to have a great life. Owning 1 million cars or having 100 crores does not necessarily mean that I will be happy. Just being inspired by people who have 100 cars and just looking at them and saying, "Yaar, wow, these guys are." Just being inspired is enough, and I could be inspired by everything and anything in life, and that is what gives me happiness. So, to all the people out there who are here to become actors, do not think that this profession or by getting one project can give you happiness. You have to get happiness from acting, and that if you are happy with that, right, you can be happy acting on Instagram also. You can be happy acting on YouTube also and become a star, which many people on social media have done.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल that's so true, that's so positive, and that's what we need, positivity. I think and mashallah you're very positive and a very healthy thinker. आजकल यही बहुत जरूरी है. People just get very disheartened and give up या बहुत extreme steps उठाते हैं. So thank you so much. And one last question, anything you'd like to say to your fans in the Middle East, in Dubai, everywhere, India, before you go?
So I'd obviously like to tell everybody ki Namaste Wahala is on Netflix. Please watch it. So that is out of the way. Apart from that, to all the people who've supported me for so many years, yaar, I thank you all, because अब मुझे भी realize हुआ है कि बहुत सारी चीजें मेरी life में luck के जरिए आई हैं. And all the fans, all the followers that I have on Instagram, social media, thank you so much for following me. मैं इतना interesting नहीं हूँ, पर तो भी आप मुझे follow करते हो. And I just try through my posts, through whatever I put out there, to at least bring a smile to your face, to bring a little positivity. और मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि whatever you all see, follow on social media, if you all want to comment, leave a good comment, वरना ignore it and move on.
बिल्कुल, that is so true. That's so true. बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. So thank you so much, Ruslan, for accepting this invitation, coming live and taking your questions in from the Dubai Middle East fans. Because we have a big Indian, Asian, Pakistani community here, Arabs. Absolutely. They follow television and films like crazy. And thank you so much, and they're very excited for this. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much for Rizwana ji to connect you to me. And inshallah, when you're in Dubai,
thank you, Rizwana auntie.
We will meet. जरूर मिलेंगे, and it would be great अगर आपके कोई fans को opportunity मिले to meet you. So thank you so much.
Yes, we will, surely. Thank you so much.
So you look after yourself, be safe.
Yes, you be safe too.
Thank you. Take care. I think आप log out कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take care. Look after yourself. Bye. So guys, that was Ruslan Mumtaz with us. The very sweet, very good looking, very fit. And the best thing I liked about him is how healthy unki soch hai, and he's so positive that, if things don't work out, there's always something else that would work out for you. So thank you everybody who joined in, and hope you liked the interview. And please be with us on Wednesday. We're going to bring another guest. Her Saturday and her Wednesday, we try to bring you one celebrity. And unke favorite cheezein jo aap janna chahte hain, unke bare mein hum zarur laenge. So thank you. This is Nadia all the way from Dubai. Lots of love and be safe, guys, and prayers for you and your family and India. Thank you.